Well then, a gorgeous version R Colt in today, and she has had a timer belt water pump. We've given her a look over. It's a nice looking car. Now it is standard, it's not matte. So today we're also going to put it on the dyno, which is about to happen now. Customer's filled in his forms and he's excited, as am I, to see what she's going to make in standard form. It is on 99.1 fuel, so we're all good. We've got a big list of stickers here. Let's look at them. That's a pretty good one. We like that. CZTOC, still the best owners club, always will be. And we know Dynodaze. Right, let's get her on the rollers.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You won't stop and look around once in a while. You're missing it.
Well, as per usual, it's a nice place to be. Nice set of clocks and quite a nice addition to the gauges. Obviously, as you can see, we got a boost gauge. Probably need to plumb in some oil temperature gauges and things like that, but they are looking lovely. It doesn't really hinder the view too badly as I thought it might do, but that A pillar seems to be quite nice and they seem to suit that quite well. So that is a nice addition. Stat gauges are brilliant quality. I've always used them. So yeah, nice car. Some nice little mods. Still got factory speed limiter on it, so we'll see what that does on the door now.
Yeah, I really like the one like that.
It's gorgeous, ain't it?
Yeah, I want it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Take it straight off. Beauty. Okay, so there's the version R, and the version R has made a consistent 151 brake horsepower and 154 foot-pound of torque. Well done, little version R, well done.